How to fix controller acting like mouse. So if you want to fix controller acting like mouse problem on your PC, then what you need to do is just follow the video. A lot of people fail to realize why this happens. It is actually because of Steam. I know a lot of people use Steam and just leave it running on the background. Steam has a feature called Steam Input that automatically sets up any controllers that you connect to your PC. If Steam Input is enabled and you have a desktop layout, which is what I'm going to show you right now, you might have this problem. So what you can do is simply open up your Steam and go with the upper left, which has the Steam option, and just go with the settings. Under your Steam settings, you need to go with the controller option. And here, if you scroll down, you'll have desktop layout option, right? You just need to simply go with edit and make sure that the desktop is enabled. So make sure that your Steam input is disabled. You just need to simply go with settings. And if you go with settings, you'll have the settings kind of interface where you can simply go and disable that option. You will have this kind of interface which says enable Steam input. So make sure that it is disabled and you will have the enable option. Once you've done that, then your problem will be fixed. You just need to simply go and disable your Steam input for the desktop layout. And after that, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.